In line with the aims and objectives of Neo-Black Movement of Africa, we be to promote African culture, members of this group turned out for the palace of the Oba of Benin to celebrate Ewuare ceremony on Tuesday. This Ewuare ceremony will be part of the yearly Igue festival, na time when Oba of Benin go receive the Ewuare leaves, and this one signify blessing and peace for the kingdom. Ewuare Sekako will be the national head of NBM of Africa, and other members of this group come pay homage to Omonoba Nedu Ukwa Oba Ewuare II. Ewuare Sekako, when constitute mouth with TMC TV to read people, talk say this festival no be only for jollification, but now for them to learn about the Benin culture.
You know, say the major aim and objective of NBM of Africa now to promote and preserve African culture. That be the major reason why we're here, to celebrate with our Royal Majesty, the Oba of Benin, where we take as our father to join them, to also learn more about the tradition and culture of Benin Kingdom. And for us to, after learning, now to sell out the culture, because during this time we will put a stop to bringing out foreign cultures to Africa here. It's time we sell our own cultures out, so that people from outside go learn that this kind of festival, now tourists supposed to come. You attract tourists so that they will come watch. So that make us come, so that we will sell this culture out to the outside world.
Other members of this group constitute mouths.
We did for Benin here today to celebrate with our Oba the great tradition that all of us met, the Igue Festival. The Igue Festival is an annual cultural day or a cultural period where all residents and Benin indigents that has ancestral link with Benin Kingdom come and pay homage to the Oba. That's something that only happened long ago. So our ancestors will pray to them, they will hear our prayers too, they will answer us. Now yearly Thanksgiving, what would they do?
You see, when person or group too good, they perform well. Know how we be say recognition not go there for them. The Oba invite them, say may they come jollificate with her for Igue. And this one are waiting, common. Even before this time, day. And every other groups they did this country, we be say Oba still invite. Some group there will be say even pass this group where Oba invite, so they don't invite them. So now proper recognition, now understanding, and the way Oba see them say these people they be better group we person they associate with. So they make a call them, they can jollificate with them. I know say Igue a blessing and yearly celebration from the palace before every other person can do the general one. And to my little understanding, Igue na festival where we say the Beninese they recognize ending of the year, the last month of the year, and close to 2 weeks ending of the year. So na yearly thing where they celebrate. And if Oba never do an individual, no Benin person they go.
Royal Majesty Omonoba Nedu Ukwa Oba Ewuare II invite members of the Neo-Black Movement of Africa. Make we come celebrate the festival of Igue today. Benin do Igue yesterday, today na day of Ewuare. We come jollificate with her as a mark of sign of respect, and because NBM too, they support traditional institution. This na Benin end of year and beginning of a fresh year. So we come enjoy with our papa, carry blessings, get good relationship with the people, and to still let them know say NBM na part of Benin Kingdom.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make I remember say your PVC and your power. Not say I'm giving a politician an election day.